Instagram, YouTube, Martin Morris, TotallyBeTheBroke.com, TooOldToBeTheBroke.com. Clean the kitchen up, so here it is. Last, I only have like the little cup. The cup is clean. We had a get together, so got to throw that out. But I'll throw that out when I throw out the trash. MartinMorrisTotal.com. Champagne from the celebration, from paying off the student loan. Sent in the $1,995 last payment, so I think I should chill this for the student loan celebration. 202BTheBroke.com. 202BTheBroke.com. How you guys doing? This is to the student loan people. September 1st, 2023, they start charging you interest again. So any money you can use to pay down your student loan, pay it. If it's $1, send $1. If it's $10, send $10. All that money will go to reducing your credit card, and you won't have any interest. Subscribe. Let me show you how.